Hello viewers, once again welcome to Physiological Insights.
Today let's talk about the digestive tract. The digestive tract is a system of organs in the body which takes in food, digest, extract the energy and nutrients and expels the remaining waste. Digestion is a process by which food is converted or broken down into substances that can be used by the body. Note: before the cells of the body can utilize the food, it must first be ingested, propelled, digested and absorbed.
Digestion of food molecules occurs by means of hydrolysis, which is the breaking down or splitting of large molecules or bonds into smaller ones, by chemical addition of water. Moving on to the components, structures or anatomy of the digestive system.
The major component of the digestive system is the alimentary canal, or the digestive tract. The alimentary canal is a coiled tube extending from the mouth to the anus. Another component of the digestive system are the accessory digestive organs which are not part of the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal can be divided into segments which are the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine.
While for the accessory organs we have the tongue, teeth, salivary glands, which are 3 of them. The parotid gland, submandibular gland and the sublingual gland. We also have the liver, gallbladder and pancreas as part of the accessory digestive organs. Moving back to the alimentary canal, when we ingest food into our mouth, which is the oral cavity. Connected to the mouth, we have 3 glands called the salivary glands. They produce enzymes to break down the food we have taken into our mouth. From this point, food travels through the esophagus to the stomach where acids and digestive juice are being released, to further break down the food molecules. Now right inside the esophagus we have sphincter muscles which are located at both ends of the esophagus. At the upper part we have the upper esophageal sphincter, while at the bottom we have the lower esophageal sphincter. The lower sphincter prevents the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus or the mouth. When this happens, we call that acid reflux, while the upper sphincter prevents food from entering into the airways and also prevent air from entering the digestive tract. Now at the bottom of the stomach we also have another sphincter muscle called the pyloric sphincter. This sphincter helps keeps food in the stomach for some time for a proper breakdown of food molecules by acids and digestive juices. After this, the pyloric sphincter allows these food molecules into the first part of the small intestine called the duodenum. After that food moves to the middle part of the small intestine called jejunum. From there it moves to the ileum, which is the last part of the small intestine. Note: the fact that the small intestine is a long tube, it's because that's where the absorption of most nutrients takes place, so the food needs much time for proper digestion and absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. After that, food travels from the small intestine into the large intestine, also called the colon. The first part of the colon where the small intestine is connected to is called the cecum. From the cecum it moves to the ascending colon, to the transverse colon and then to the descending colon. From there, it moves to the sigmoid colon which is connected to the rectum where feces are stored before excreting them out of the body, through the anus. And in the anus we can also find 2 sphincter muscles, which are the internal anal sphincter and the external anal sphincter. The internal anal sphincter is actually involuntary smooth muscle sphincter, while the external anal sphincter is voluntarily controlled. Looking at the accessory digestive organs, which are also important for the digestion of food. We have the liver which releases bile and it's been stored in the gallbladder, passing through the bile duct, and this bile pigment helps break fatty foods. The bile passes from the gallbladder through the bile duct into the duodenum. We also have the pancreas which releases digestive enzymes passing through the pancreatic duct, into the bile duct and finds its way into the duodenum. Thanks for watching, and please do well to like, comment and share this video and also subscribe.